bunch of equipment this weekend. I spent roughly $4,300 on Amazon. I'll have the build links down below, of course. And I'm not going to show it all at once. I'm going to show it in pieces because it's a lot of equipment. And to try and pull it all out here, put it all away. My house is in total disarray. I don't know how much of it you see, but I'm packing because I'm moving. That's why I'm building the server rack, so then that way I have everything I need in one centralized location, because I'm going to have 1 gigabit fiber down, and I think about 50 kilobytes up, maybe 100 kilobytes up. I think I can upgrade to if needed. We're going to start with a 50 and see how we do. So I think, you know, future longevity wise and thought process built into it, it would be nice if I had one centralized place for all the security equipment, you know, one server to run it all the network gear that I'm going to need, something to house for all the cameras, you know, all that jazz. So the first component I'm going to focus on is building the rack. Then I'll build the server, and then I'll include all the network equipment. So I guess I'm going to be doing this in phases, so chances are there's going to be cuts and bleeds, and maybe my shirt will change because I'm starting on a Friday, night, and I probably won't get done till Sunday afternoon sometime because I'll do it in pieces, and I'll go over everything that I'm building. But this will be a half-height server rack, standard 19 inches wide on wheels, so it'll probably be about this high. It's a 15U, which should be all I need to incorporate all my needs. And I guess that about solves it. I'm gonna crack me open a Monster and get started and probably cue the music. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, that's real descriptive instructions. Thank you very much. I mean, here, I'll show you the instructions to build it. Basically, it's just like, hey, this is where, maybe I need to step back, I'm not sure. This is where everything just goes. Here's all the components. Figure out how to assemble it. Alright, awesome. That was it. Let's see. It said, yep. 8 hexagon. Oh. Yeah, okay. Well, folks, there you have it. Start to finish, 15U, 19-inch wide, standardized half rack. Should be able to house a 4U server and about 4U's of network gear and another 4U's of other various equipment, and then air breathing space in between. So that'll be what powers the new house. You've seen it from the side for most of it. Cost $160 for the rack. It's got 2 locks on the front of it. But it'll be worth every penny, and it'll all be wired up. Yeah, ISP equipment's going to go in there as well. But it'll be nice to have it all in one spot and on wheels, so I'm moving around, especially being that I'm building it here, but I'm moving it in at another house. So hopefully I can transport it like this as well too. In fact, you know, hey, here you go. Oh, and it also comes with 2 rail kits, you could say. So when they do get set up, oh bloody heck, I didn't think about that. Son of a... I can move that. That's an easy, quick move. And I can fix this. Actually, it's not too bad of a change. Being that they're independent as well, this is easy enough. It's a simple fix. Easy enough of a fix. Server rack once again done. Alright, time to tear down and move on to the server. Get ready to get it being built. So